Good morning, YouTube. Putting a beam in here and putting a hole in that wall for, I don't know if you can see through there, maybe I'll splice in some other footage. I built a garage over there that added onto this garage, so now homeowners are going to have this as a bay, they're going to have that as a bay, and they want an opening. So I've got everything stripped out of this wall that I need, and I'm going to try to do this without having to support the roof separate from the wall. And if this works, then you guys will all have a hint as to how to recklessly put holes in walls also. Take these two studs out. Woo! Okay, to clear headroom here, I have to take this bottom of the two plates out, which means my original intent was just to notch these 2x4s and put one side of the LVL in, and then I can remove everything and put the other side of the LVL in. That's not going to work now because I have to get that plate out of the way. So I did throw just a couple braces here. As you can see, just going to take pretty much all the wall out, and hopefully nothing falls down and hits me in the head. I thought they were coming to get me. Last one. These 2 amp-hour batteries, they don't last very long. These XR 5-hour batteries, on the other hand, last much longer. Just get this plate out and then start getting measurements for my beam. My beam is right there at LVL. Alright, my LVLs are 11 1/4. They need to be about 7 1/2, so I have to rip these down. It's not an enjoyable process. These things play hell with your saw, but do what you gotta do. They're not too heavy, so I think I might mate them up and install them all as one. That's probably going to come back to bite me, but we'll see. There. That was an adventure. I'm gonna just set on 2 temporary blocks. I'm gonna get measurements cut for jacks, one for each. It'll get 2 each, but I'll cut 1 for each side, and we will start to just drive them into place, drive the beam up to where it needs to be. Once that's in, get everything attached, make the final cuts on that siding, and the homeowner is in charge of removing the concrete curb. Get my measurements, cut my jacks, and see if I can't drop it again or knock myself out. Let's see what happens. It works. Attach it to the top plate, 2 more jacks in there, make my final cuts. Oh, almost fell over. Got the plate gone. It's laying right there. Like I said, homeowner is going to have that curb removed. Let me get over on the other side. I've got it nailed up and down through the top plate. Jacks are all nailed up. And that's it. Let's get cleaned up and get out of this job, get on to the next job.